Greetings Earthlings, I am here today to play with all of the BoxyCharm times Fenty Beauty products that I got in my March Boxy Premium, as well as challenging myself to only use products that I've gotten in past BoxyCharm boxes, and that includes brushes and sponges. So this is a full face of BoxyCharm products plus my Fenty Beauties from this month's premium box. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video and get prepared to see my zombie face. Let's go. Have no fear, I come in peace. I've seen my bare face, but in last night's video, I was a little sad because I had to redo my BoxyCharm times Fenty Beauty Boxy Premium unboxing, but today I thought I would give it a fair shot and really play with the makeup, see how it performs, and I challenged myself to only use products I've gotten from previous BoxyCharms, because to be fair, there's a lot of products that I've tried once and then never tried again. I need a haircut really bad. I'm quickly gonna go over the things that I got in my Boxy times Fenty box. I got this Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette that has absolutely beautiful packaging. I'm gonna use that today. I got this Killawatt Freestyle highlighter in Trophy Wife, which I'm going to try to make work on my skin tone. I got this Matchsticks shimmer stick in Unicorn, which is beautiful. Not sure how I'm going to work that into the look today. I might have to pick and choose between these two highlighters because let's face it, they won't go together very well. I got this Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk, which is absolutely beautiful. I got this Mattemoiselle matte plush lipstick in Griselda, which is beautiful as well. It matches my sweater. This is a beautiful color. And I got the Invisiblot blotting paper, which I don't think I'm gonna need today. So the only primer that I have left from previous BoxyCharms is this Prep Set and Glow by Iconic London. I don't like this because it is filled with so much glitter, but we're going to do it anyway. I will use it sparingly. I think it made me break out the one time I wore it anyway, so let's, okay. Now this stuff smells like an actual perfume. Like it is so fragranced. And, oh, do you see that? That's like an actual spot of glitter on my face. And I've got some textured skin, I don't need that. I'm going to move on with this Becca Ultimate 24-Hour Coverage Foundation. I really like this. I wish I had it in a darker shade. This came in last month's box. I'm actually going to mix it with this pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer in 63, the middle ground. This is a little too dark for my under eye, so I'm gonna try and mix these two together to get a decent shade. I've also challenged myself to only use brushes that I've gotten in BoxyCharm. So there's a lot of Luxie, Alamar Cosmetics, there's some Moda, and these ones are actual BoxyCharm branded, but the majority of these are Luxie. Man, this is even too dark for my actual face. Sponge that I got in last month's BoxyCharm as well. I do believe this is from Luxie. I use this Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This I also got in last month's BoxyCharm and I really like it. There's not gonna be a lot of stuff from really old BoxyCharms unless it's something I don't really like. So keep that in mind. This powder feels really nice. We'll get to the Fenty stuff soon, I promise. I have this from Pretty Vulgar. This is Bronzed Bee in Bronze Mannikin. This I think I've only used once, maybe twice. For blush, I'm going to use this Alamar Cosmetics palette. This is the Colorette Blush Trio. And I think I'm going to go into this darker shade, Toasted, and I will use the same brush. So let's go ahead and go into the eyeshadow palette. It has some really pretty shades. I'm really digging this one right here, but I might go for more of just a neutral golden look, maybe with some of this. So let's just get into this and see what happens. Can I even zoom in on the front facing camera? No, sorry. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna start with Cumin, get it? Ooh, immediately these blend really nice. Okay, so first what I did was I used this Alamar Cosmetics blending brush and used Cumin Get It in the crease and blended that out. Then I used this Luxie eye shading brush with the shade Spice Trip and kind of put it a little bit in the outer corner and then a little bit into the crease. Then with my finger, I used Desert Baked, this kind of brown shimmery shade, more towards the middle of the lid, and then this more golden shimmery shade and Marrakesh, and put it more towards the inside of my lid. They're both very, very pretty colors. And then I took this Luxie mini round brush with the shade Cumin Get It and rubbed it underneath my lower lash line. I also used this Luxie mini tapered brush with Cumin Get It and kind of put more in the middle of the crease. I used this Alamar, it's just a flat brush with this darker brown shade in Hennessy and kind of just lightly lined the outer of my lash line. I did on the eyes with the Moroccan Spice palette. So now I think I have decided that I am going to use this golden highlight shade. I guess I'll use this. This is a Moda Cosmetics. This is a highlighting brush. What I don't like about it though is how big it is. So we'll see what happens. I picked up a lot of glitter, so I'm gonna shake that off and just lightly put some glow on. There's pretty much just shimmer and glitter that's transferring onto my face right now, but it looks okay because it's not just like a straight line of dark gold highlight. This is a really pretty shade. I don't think I would use it for like all over highlighting, like down the nose and stuff like that. What is going on with this lighting? Overall, I like the highlight and I like the eyeshadow palette. So let's move on to brows. I have this by Billion Dollar Brows. This is the Universal Brow Pencil. I got this in, I think, a Boxy Luxe. I didn't like it very much because it was a little too creamy, but let's see what happens. Everything needs a second chance, right? Yeah, no, this is really creamy. Gonna have to try to use a light hand. All right, they're not a perfect shape, but I want to stop there before it gets too heavy because this is a very heavy pencil. See, I'm gonna stop as I keep going. I have this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown. I've only used this once or twice. I don't like the size of the brush. It's really big, so. See, I just got a bunch underneath my brow there. Have to be really careful with it. Good God. And this is expensive too. All right, got a big dollop of glitter right there. This is ridiculous. Let's try and, ooh, you see that? I don't get how this setting spray is supposed to work. Like, honestly, what am I doing wrong? This is a Trestique mascara, the Good Vibes mascara. I only used this for the video. I mean, this is cool because it has a built-in curling wand. You know, I've never used a curling wand before for my eyelashes, so you know what? Let's see what happens. I don't know. I'm scared. I don't know how to do this. No. It's like a little, it's like a torture device. I don't need it. I'm not going to use it. All right, so let's use the mascara. If I remember correctly, I did like the wand on this. Yeah. I like that shape wand, so let's just go ahead and use the mascara. I'll transfer it a little bit up on my hooded lid area. All right, I made a big mess with that. I'm actually not gonna put any on my lower lash line. I prefer not wearing mascara on my lower lash line, TBH. But I did forget that I wanted to put a little bit of this highlight in the inner corner, so I'm gonna take this Luxie mini flat angled brush and just pop it in the inner corner. That is a highlight. Holy cow. I need to look more into these Killawatt highlights because this is honestly really pretty. While I wait for that mess to dry, I'm going to do my lips. My lips are incredibly dry. I had a balm on. I keep like bleeding here. It's not cute. I've only ever gotten one lip liner in Boxy Charm, but it's not a good color for the Griselda lipstick I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna use this one by NYX in the shade Copenhagen to line my lips. Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Griselda. Isn't that a name of like one of Cinderella's stepsisters? This lipstick is darker than I thought. I still really like it though. Okay, I'm gonna go get a Q-tip and try to clean off that mascara. That's cool. I'm just taking off all of my foundation with this too, so really. I guess I'll just have a little beauty mark there then. I'll touch up the highlight a little bit. Whoa, I touched that side up a little too much. To clean off some of the makeup on my hands, I'm going to use these EVO Skin Refreshing Cleansing Head Wipes that I got in last month's. This little guy is the love of my life and he does not get enough screen time on my channel. Oh, Bubby, I love you so much. Can you say hi? Huh? Can you say hi? Stop doing that. You keep sticking your paw in the hole of my shirt. I love you so much, Bubba. You look like a little chunky monkey. Yes, you do. My little chunky monkey. My little chunky monkey. Look at the camera. Oh, the Bobby. Oh, the Bobby boy. The Bobby boy. Oh, you're my baby. Oh, my baby. Isn't he the cutest? This little guy is going to be 11 years old next month. 11. You still look a lot better than models. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Please subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.